Hi, I'm Lee Arnold, founder and CEO of Secured Investment Corp. As you may know, funding is the most noted challenge in today's real estate investing market. And although lending and liquidity are supposedly the lifeblood of every business, government intervention and subsequently banks' tougher credit restrictions have all but dried up the lending sources to many small businesses and real estate investors throughout the United States. Yet, even as this is happening, everyone from Washington, D.C. to Wall Street is declaring that entrepreneurs and real estate investors are the means to our economic recovery. Similarly, the Federal Housing Finance Administration says that investors are the solution to the housing market crisis. Now, this being the case, an essential answer to the funding shortage is private sources to capital. Now, Secured Investment Corp gives lenders and real estate investors the ability to connect and build powerful and profitable strategic alliances. Lenders are able to grow their net returns on their invested capital, and real estate investors are able to grow their real estate investment portfolios. Now, this very win-win, mutually beneficial relationship is why I created this company. At its very core is the idea of people helping people. Now, when I started in real estate, I had no money, I had no experience, I had no collateral. But what I was lacking in finances and experience, I made up for in desire, ambition, and a motivation to work long and hard hours. Now, it was only through private money and a smart individual that allowed me to enter the world of real estate investing. You see, at the time I was working at a grocery store bagging groceries. I made $3.90 an hour, and I knew that there had to be more to me and to my life than that. So I started studying and reading books, and eventually I went out and I found a piece of property that was an amazing investment deal. Unfortunately, I had no money to put down. I had no credit. I was very young. Banks wouldn't trust me with money, and a really hard time in getting conventional financing. So in an act of desperation, I went to the pharmacist at the grocery store. His name was Brent, and I said, "Hey, Brent, would you be willing to partner with me on this deal? You put up your cash and your credit, and I'll do all the work. And when we fix the deal and get it sold, we'll split the profits." And to my amazement, Brent said yes. Now, it was through this insight and my hard work that I began successfully completing profitable real estate deals, and eventually, through all of the profits that I had made in other areas, I became a private money lender myself. Now, what I love about private money deals where you are the lender is all you're doing is putting up your cash into an investment opportunity secured in first trust deed position against real property, where if that goes sideways in any way, shape, or form, your money is very secured. Hence the name of the company, Secured Investment Corp. Now, as a result of putting your money into that property on behalf of that investor, you now secure the right to receive a monthly payment each and every month. Now, because our loans are what we call bridge or mezzanine financing, most loans are from 6 to 18 months in length, which means your risk exposure is very limited and you're very well protected because we only lend at 65% of the purchase price or the assessed value, whichever is lower, against the property. Now, as we as private lenders help these real estate investors make their own capital, we in turn help them too become future private money lenders. Now, through what I call the circle of wealth, I myself went from real estate borrower to real estate private lender. And through this individual to individual lending process, I have been able to help others gain experience and earn profitable incomes from real estate investing as well. But I'm just one person. What if there was a whole army of people doing the exact same thing? What if every real estate beginner could one day help others achieve success by themselves becoming a private money lender? What if a new banking process could be created so that the common good of all could be met? Secured Investment Corp is that exact model. Now, how does it work? It's a simply but elegantly designed funding and borrowing platform. Borrowers come to us with fully packaged qualifying deals, and after painstakingly evaluating each deal, we then send it out to you, the best of our select network of lenders, who are encouraged to carefully analyze the properties to their particular criteria. And once the process is complete, the borrowers make payments to a third-party escrow service, and the lender, you, make higher returns on your investments. Now, since our inception, we have helped hundreds of borrowers and have funded tens of millions of dollars in real estate-backed loans, and we see these numbers growing exponentially each and every quarter. Now, as the leader in this niche, we have over 75 years of combined specialized loan expertise. Collectively, our staff has been involved in over $2 billion worth of lending transactions over the last 3 decades, and we pride ourselves in our talented and accomplished executive team. Secured Investment Corp continues to transform the industry and make private funding the gold standard for real estate entrepreneurs and private lenders nationwide. We look forward to working with you as well.